Augite is a common pyroxene mineral. Let's begin with plane polarized light observation. The augite grain appears subhedral to slender prismatic in form under PPL. Its color ranges from colorless to shade of green, brown or even yellowish brown depending on the composition and thickness. It shows high relief, which means the grain stands out sharply against the mounting medium. A key feature of pyroxene is the presence of two directional cleavage, and importantly, pleochroism is absent in augite. When we switch to crossed polars, augite displays a second order yellow interference color characteristic of its birefringence. And notice the extinction. It shows inclined extinction, which aligns with its pyroxene structure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Earth Detective for more mineral study.